Hi friends, this is Apurv and I'm in class 7 and this is a playlist for canva.com. In this playlist we'll be learning how to use Canva, why to use Canva and what is it for. Okay, so let's get dive in. So this is I have typed canva.com and it has opened. Sometime it asks you to uh, sign in. Okay, so you should sign in. If you want to try the pro version of the Canva, which includes payment, you can do it. For now, I'll be showing you how I made my logos of my YouTube channel and many more things. Okay, so let's get dive in. I have clicked the logo option and it has shown this page. So there are many more options. Uh, so sometime I use templates. It is given by the canva.com. It is free to use. There are many, and like if I have to use like this one, it's a good. And if I will type my first logo and many things, my logo description, and you can see it has come. And if I don't want to use it, so I'll click on the background here, white part, and I'll click on OK. So what I'll do here is I'll delete this. Okay, so there is one option called elements. I'll go to here and type like uh, gradient, and you can see here there are many gradients. I'll use this one. I'll right click on it and set image as background. Okay, and then it has seen it. So if I have a logo like uh what can you say, if I want to add a text here, so I'll go to add a heading, or you can recently used font combinations, you can choose it from here also. My logo, and you can change the font size and the font type also, like lato is a good one. I don't know how to pronounce it. There are many more. Okay, you should check it out. I'll prefer you to check it out. And here you can justify the content. I have centered it. Here you can bold the text. Okay, so then if I want to add uh, an photo, okay, so I'll use my this youtube channel this. So if you have not uh, uploaded any videos, it will not show anything here. You have to upload it from there, like you can see, or just drag one here from your desktop. Okay, um then we should you can edit this. Okay, I can animate this like this, rise, span, there are many more. But if they have like this queen structure here with yellow, it means they are premium, so you can't use them. But there are a bunch of varieties for doing for free. Okay, so you should try it out. Okay, so I'll use like this. And it is good. Yes, it is the best. And now if I want to add some elements, like I want to add a laptop. It is very important. Okay, see here. Here it is showing free, so you can drag it here. That's why I can do. Okay, not just like that. You can change its color to like this. I'll do it to white. And they are they are templates. So if I will take a very good template, um there are templates, more videos, styles, backgrounds, charts, folders, apps and integration. So I designed my personal logos, thumbnails from here only. And if I go to templates, is there anyone like uh yes, like it's a very professional, it's like a professional feelings user. Okay, so uh I am thinking from here you can download it, png, jpg, many more things. Okay, and when I will click download thing, it will be downloaded. And you can change its name to first logo. It will be very nice. And if I will do it block, you can add your own audios. uh, you should not took these audios from here. You can take, they are free ones, but it can have like copyright issues in your channel. Okay, so I prefer not to took from here. Okay, so I will not took from here. You can make your own audios and upload it like here, video audio. So I think this will give you a minimal understanding on how to make an uh, your logo or a thumbnail. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you next time.